take a look at toast. To begin, make sure your wire rack is in the upward position, then insert it to rack position 1. This will allow the Element IQ system to deliver high heat evenly from the top and bottom elements for perfect toast. Be sure to place your bread slices close to the center of the rack. You can fit up to 4 slices of regular sandwich bread. Close the oven door and use the function dial to set to toast. Rotate the temp time dial to change the darkness setting. Turn the dial left to reduce the darkness or right to increase it. To confirm, press the temp time dial where you'll then be able to change the number of slices. To adjust, turn the dial left to decrease or right to increase. Press the Start/Stop button and the timer will start. You can adjust the toasting presets during the cycle and stop it by pressing Stop. At the end of the timer, if you'd like your toast slightly darker, you can press the A Bit More button, which will run the oven for 30 more seconds. And if you're working with frozen food, the Frozen Food button reduces the oven temperature and extends the timer slightly to make sure the toast is evenly heated without burning it. All right, who wants jam on their toast?